Hey everyone, welcome to Wishing Well BBQ. I'm Dustin Wells, and today we're going to do pork belly tacos. Let's do it. If there is one thing I love in the barbecue world, it is pork belly. Pork belly is bacon and it has so much flavor. There are so many things that you can do with pork belly, but today I'm gonna make something super simple, pork belly tacos. We're gonna get some nice flour tortillas, put on some beautiful sliced pork belly, some amazing dry rub with a nice glazed finish on it, and then we're gonna top it off with a homemade coleslaw. So let's go inside and let's go ahead and get this pork belly ready for the smoker. We're inside and we're ready to get this pork belly ready for the smoker. I've actually bought a 10-pound slab of pork belly, but what I did was I cut it in half so that it's a little bit more of a manageable piece. If you have an entire 10-pound pork belly, it's really gonna take a long time to cook and it probably won't cook very evenly. So I've cut it down in half. I'll probably use the other half to make some pork belly burnt ends. If you want to see that recipe, check out the link in the description because those pork belly burnt ends turn out awesome. So for today's trim, I'm using my Spaceman Constellation boning knife. This knife is super awesome, super durable, and just look how pretty it is. If you want to check this knife out or any of the other knives by Spaceman Knives, check out the link below. I don't really have too much trimming to do. I just want to look around and make sure that there's no really hard extra fat on there. I don't really want more than 1/4 of an inch, so I might come through and trim some of this extra thick fat off. On this side here, I've got a big band of fat that doesn't have hardly any meat. I don't want to have too chewy of a piece. I'm just going to kind of round that part off. Some really tough fat right here and it's extra thick. So I'm just going to run my knife parallel to the fat here. Take a little bit of that off. I do want some fat because that's really going to give some good flavor. We've got a really thin piece right here. We're just going to kind of square that off. It's going to probably burn up if we don't. I'm just going to do one thing. I'm going to go ahead and score this fat cap. Just going to run my knife across like this, and I'm not going too deep, probably just enough to get through to the meat. I'm gonna go the other way here. Oh yeah, that looks fantastic. Now we just need to get some seasoning on this pork belly. I'm gonna use a little bit of yellow mustard as my binder today. Go ahead and coat that on there. Get a nice little rub, flip it over and do the meat side. For my seasoning today, I'm using Wishing Well BBQ competition style rub. This is the greatest stuff ever. I'm telling you, it gives you a beautiful color. It has a nice salty, sweet with a little bit of back heat, and it really just gives a fantastic color and a great flavor. And we're gonna season pretty liberally. I want these pork belly tacos to have a lot of flavor. Press the seasoning down into the meat. Never rub it, just press it down. Make sure we get those sides here. Flip it over to the meat side. Season it pretty liberally. And that's it. That's all we have to do to get this pork belly ready for the smoker. Today I'm gonna be cooking on my Oklahoma Joe offset smoker. And I'm gonna use a combination of lump charcoal, cherry wood, and hickory wood. I'm gonna keep my temperatures around 250 to 275 degrees. Now that I've got this pork belly on, I just wanted to stop for a second and say thank you. We have reached 500 subscribers in only 4.5 short months. So I wanted to say thank you for supporting me in my endeavors, and thank you for joining the Wishing Well BBQ family. We are so glad to have you. If you're new to the channel and you haven't joined our family, make sure you hit that subscribe button so that you can join in on the fun. Because we have 500 subscribers, I've got a very special video coming to you next week. Also, we've got some really good, exciting news, and if you've been following us on Facebook, Instagram, or TikTok, you will have seen that we are finally selling our Wishing Well BBQ competition dry rub. This stuff is awesome. And if you watch our channel, you'll see that we use this a lot in our recipes. If you want to get your hands on a bottle of this, all you have to do is send me a DM through Facebook, Instagram, or TikTok. You can also email me at wishingwellbbq@gmail.com and we'll be glad to get you a bottle. Thank you so much for your support. It really means a lot. Now, let's get back to this recipe. All right, we have had this pork belly on for about an hour, and just check that out. Man, that looks fantastic. Also, take a look at these pork belly burnt ends. The recipe for this is in the description. It's looking fantastic. We've got a really good color. That fat is starting to render, and that's exactly what we're looking for. Our internal temperature is about 120 degrees, and we're just gonna close this pork belly down and let it keep on cooking. Let's check on it when we're ready to wrap. While we're letting the pork belly cook on the smoker, let's go inside and assemble our coleslaw. This is a really awesome homemade coleslaw recipe that my wife makes, and she uses chopped red cabbage, green cabbage, and carrots. She also makes a mayo-based dressing for her coleslaw, and in this dressing she uses mayo, white vinegar, sugar, and celery seed. Once she's done making the dressing, she mixes it in with the coleslaw, and then it is done. All you've got to do is wrap it up in some foil and put it in the refrigerator until we're ready to assemble these tacos. All right, we have had this pork belly on for a total of 3 hours now, and just check that out. The color of that is phenomenal. We're ready to take this to the wrapping process, and there's a couple of things you need to know before you wrap. Number one, I'm looking to make sure that the bark has set. I can tell just by kind of rubbing my finger on there, not too much seasoning is coming off. In fact, it's actually just rendered fat. I can also tell that this has the absolute perfect color that I'm looking for. It has a nice mahogany color, and our temperature is about 140 degrees. The way the meat actually looks is more important than the temperature though. Let's go inside and let's wrap up this pork belly. I've got 2 very large sheets of aluminum foil rolled out here. That way I can wrap this pork belly up really nice. I'm gonna go ahead and get some light brown sugar and put it on the bottom of this foil. Don't be shy now, make sure you get plenty on there. Now I'm gonna add some Parquet squeeze butter. And now I'm gonna add honey for the money. Now I'm gonna add some of my Wishing Well BBQ house barbecue sauce. You can use whatever your favorite barbecue sauce is on this step. Now I'm gonna set this pork belly on top, and I'm gonna repeat the process. Now we're just gonna wrap this pork belly up. Now that we've got this nice and wrapped up, let's go ahead and put it back out on the smoker, and we're looking for about an internal temperature of 195 to 200 degrees. All right, we have had this pork belly on for an additional 2.5 hours, so we're at about 5.5 hours. And let's just open this up and check it out. Oh man, the lighting's not that great because it's starting to get dark out here. Let's verify a couple of temperatures here. Oh yeah, we've got some really good temperatures. And this is exactly what we're looking for. It is so tender. Let's get this pork belly inside so we can make these tacos. All right, we have taken this pork belly inside, and let me tell you something, it smells so good. But we have got to let it rest because it is so hot. While we're waiting on the meat to rest, let's go ahead and talk about what we did to get these pork belly tacos ready. The first thing we did was get a 5-pound pork belly. We took off any extra fat that we didn't want and kind of squared it up. Then we used mustard as a binder, and we used Wishing Well BBQ Competition Dry Rub. Then we put it on the smoker at about 250 to 275 degrees. We let it sit on the smoker for about 3 hours so that it got a really nice color and that bark set on the pork belly. Then we wrapped it up in aluminum foil with butter, brown sugar, honey, and a little bit of my Wishing Well BBQ house barbecue sauce. And we let it sit in the smoker wrapped up in foil for about 2.5 hours. And now here we are, and let me tell you something, I am ready to assemble these tacos. So let's get to it. The first thing that I want to do is I want to take all of the juice that's in here, and I'm going to pour it into this aluminum pan. I've got a little bit of my house barbecue sauce put in this nice little squirt bottle. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna mix some of this rendered fat and the butter, brown sugar, and honey in there. About half and half. We'll give it a nice little shake. And now this is gonna make a great topping for our taco. Now that I've got this pork belly out here on the cutting board, we're just gonna go ahead and get some slices. Almost like brisket slices. This pork belly looks phenomenal. Probably about 1/4 inch slices here. Oh yeah, that looks good. The fat has rendered really nice. We've got an excellent bark and an excellent color. Let's assemble these tacos. I've got some heated flour tortillas that I'm gonna set out here. Let's go ahead and get some of this pork belly. I'm gonna cut it in half here. Let's get some of that right there. Oh yeah, that's looking good. You know we gotta put this homemade coleslaw on there. Just get a little pinch of this, throw that on there. And now we're gonna drizzle it on there with that sauce that we mixed with the drippings. And that's it. Oh man, these pork belly tacos look phenomenal. All right, you know what time it is. I have got to try a bite of this. Cheers to a good cook and cheers to 500 subscribers. Oh, and cheers to my barbecue seasoning officially being ready for you to get. Hey, let's try it. Oh my gosh. You get such an amazing smoke flavor from that cherry and that hickory. That Wishing Well BBQ competition style rub just really puts a great seasoning on there. The coleslaw is sweet and gives a nice flavor as well. And that sauce just tops it off. I gotta have another bite. Hey, you know it's good. Sauce is getting out on your beard. I tell you what, you have got to try this recipe. It is not going to disappoint. Thank you so much for watching today's episode. We really hope that you enjoyed it. If you would like to see more from us, we would like for you to click that subscribe button below so that you don't miss out on any of the fun. Make sure you also follow all of my other socials, Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. And if you want to buy some of that dry rub, all you got to do is send me a DM or email me at wishingwellbbq@gmail.com. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, we'll see you next time.